Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to open a .rar file with white icon in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search for download 7-zip. Select the first link. Now you need to download, depends on your system bit. If you don't know your system bit, then you just need to go to search menu and type system information, click on open it. In system type you can able to see your system bit. After knowing your system bit, just to close tab here. Now you need to select the download option, depends on your system bit. After getting download done, click on the setup, select yes, select the install option. After getting installed, click on close. You just need to right click on the RAR file and select show more options. Select 7-zip and select extract to, and now that file has been opened guys, as you can see. And that's all we have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.